Garlic is now becoming well known as a true superfood in its own right due to its many different nutrients, unique and potent compounds, and overall health promoting abilities which have been backed by numerous studies. Not only can garlic add flavor to a number of different recipes, but perhaps more importantly, is packed with numerous nutrients and can help to reduce the risk of developing certain diseases. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic regularly. First, garlic is a great source of many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can promote our overall health. It is very nutrient dense. Garlic is a great source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, calcium, phosphorus, and many more. It is also a good source of dietary fibre, sulfur compounds, and a potent compound known as allicin. Garlic is also well known for its immune boosting abilities and is able to help reduce the risk of developing certain diseases. It is well known for its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that the active compound allicin can actually help reduce common cold and flu symptoms and other infections within the body. The sulfur compounds in garlic are also helpful in this regard, and the antioxidants can help to reduce free radicals and oxidative damage that can compromise the immune system. If you are looking to improve the overall health of your heart, then garlic can certainly help in this regard. It can promote heart health many different ways, and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Several studies have found that when garlic is consumed regularly, it can significantly reduce high blood pressure. Also, consuming garlic can help to lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Its potent antioxidants, sulfur compounds, and allicin are also helpful in this regard. It can also help to improve overall brain function and reduce the risk of developing certain brain disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. This is often attributed to the powerful antioxidants and medicinal benefits associated with garlic, which can help to reduce oxidative stress. Garlic contains potent antioxidants that can help to promote the body's own protective abilities against oxidative damage that can lead to cognitive decline and illness, while also increasing antioxidant enzymes. As well, studies have shown that garlic can help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease due to its neuroprotective properties. Lastly, garlic can provide benefits for those individuals suffering with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing the disease. When consumed regularly, it can help to regulate blood sugar levels and promote circulation. Garlic may also provide benefits by lowering serum glucose levels and triglyceride levels in the body. Also, studies have shown that garlic can have a significant impact on improving blood cholesterol levels. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.